Hi guys, this is Ms. Mendoza. Welcome back to digital lesson number 31. Today we're going to review area and perimeter problem solving. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. The materials you're going to need for this lesson are going to be 2 sheets of paper and a pencil. Your learning objective. Today I will find the area of squares and rectangles to solve word problems. Just to review what area is the number of square units inside a space. The formula for area is length times width. And remember, if you see the word square units anywhere in the answer choices or the problem, that means you have to find the area. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. The formulas for perimeter are the following: length plus width plus length plus width, or 2s plus 2w. Guided practice. Watch and listen as I review how to solve word problems involving area and perimeter. Practice number 1. Lisa placed a rectangular fence around her garden. The garden had a length of 21 yards and a width of 15 yards. What is the perimeter of the fence? So as I look at this problem, I see that it's asking me for the perimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that. I know that the length of the fence is 21 yards and the width is 15 yards. So I'm going to determine the perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the distance around. My formula that I'm going to use for perimeter is length plus width plus length plus width. So I'm going to have to add. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add up 2 sides at a time, and then I'm going to put all those together. So 15 plus 15 is 30, 21 plus 21 is 42, and 30 plus 42 is 72. So my perimeter is 72 yards, B. Okay, let's go ahead and go to practice number 2. A rectangular desk has a length of 24 inches and a width of 16 inches. What is the area of the desk? So if I look at this problem, I see that it's asking me for the area. So I know to find the area, I have to multiply length times width. So my length here is 24 inches and my width is 16 inches. Once again, my formula is length times width, so all I have to do is multiply. So 16 times 24 is 384. So the area for this one is A. 384 square inches. Okay, let's go ahead and go to practice number 3. Practice number 3. Isabel walked around a square path. The length of one side of the square was 58 yards. What is the perimeter of this square? So this problem is asking me to find the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, I have to add length plus width plus length plus width. I know that this is a square, and I know that one side of the square is 58 yards, so I know that this square, all the sides are going to be equal because it's a square. Perimeter means to add, so I'm going to go ahead and add up my 4 sides, which are all going to be 58 because once again, a square has equal sides. 58 plus 58 is 116, 58 plus 58 is 116, 116 plus 116 equals 232. So the perimeter is 232 yards. Okay, let's go to practice number 4. Victoria placed towel in the rectangular section of her kitchen. The length of the rectangular section of her kitchen is 32 feet and the width is 19 feet. What is the area of the section Victoria placed towel in? So this problem is asking me to find the area. Area means to multiply length times width. So the length is 32 feet and the width is 19 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply because the formula for area is length times width. I'm going to multiply 32 times 19. That would give me 608. So the area is B, 608 square feet. Okay. It's now time to do your DOL. Remember, these are review lessons. To keep your brain fresh, I want you to go ahead and label your paper with numbers 1 through 8. And I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to get your paper ready. Put your name and date. Go. Question number 1. Lori placed carpet in a rectangular living room floor. The floor is 47 feet long and 32 feet wide. What is the area of the living room floor? I'm going to give you about 45 seconds to answer this question. Go! Question number 2. Kelly walked around a square path. The length of one side of the square was 62 yards. What is the perimeter of the square path? You have 45 seconds to solve this problem. Question number 3. Natalia rode her bike around a rectangular path. The length of the path is 68 yards and the width is 45 yards. What is the area of the path? You have 45 seconds to solve this problem. Go! Okay, question number 4. Ms. Mendoza placed border around a bulletin board in her classroom. The length of the bulletin board is 29 feet and the width is 12 feet. What is the perimeter of the bulletin board? You have 45 seconds to solve this problem. Question number 5. Marcus had a rectangular piece of paper. The length of the piece of paper is 50 centimeters and the width is 20 centimeters. What is the area of the paper? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Question number 6. Alejandro bought a rectangular table. The length of the table is 14 feet and the width is 10 feet. What is the perimeter of the table? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Ian built a rectangular patio in his backyard. The patio is 58 feet long and 37 feet wide. What is the area of the patio in square feet? You have 45 seconds to solve this problem. And our last question. Trevor bought a rectangular notebook. The notebook has a length of 34 centimeters and a width of 18 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the notebook? You have 45 seconds to solve this problem. Okay, congratulations. You have now completed digital lesson number 31. Please be sure to send me a picture of your DOL and you're through for the videos of the week. Bye!